I finally got everything drilled and tapped. You can see it's starting to come together. We got the feet here, they're sitting on top, but they will be down below. We got the cross beam, and we've got the drilled and tapped legs here on the side that everything will bolt onto. So next, we need to make the tabs to bolt the feet on, the tabs to bolt the cross beams on, and we've got to build handlebars. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the bandsaw and start cutting out all the tabs so that we can weld these things on and drill them out for the bolts. I've got everything preset. I've got my knurling tool already ready to go, and I'm using 25 TPI, so that's 25 teeth per inch on these wheels here. That'll give me a fine knurl so that it's easier on the hands. This is it. This is my Monarch blade. This is my knurling tool. It's got a wheel, a cutting wheel on top and a cutting wheel on bottom, and some cutting lubricant. And as this bar spins, it's not cutting, it's embedding the diamond cut pattern into the bar. And we're almost done with this bar here. All right, that's it. Shut it off. That is how you knurl a bar. That's how it's done. Now we're gonna go chop this end off. So I'm pretty happy with this setup. Everything looks pretty good. It came out a little heavier than I was expecting, but like I said, these guys are moving like 300 pounds on these things. So if I have to guess, this thing is somewhere around 100 pounds. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll get a measurement on it and we'll see. So now I need to get the sleeves for the plates. And after we get that done, this thing will be wrapped up. So if you're wondering what it is, all this junk on the floor, all of this is it's the baddest piece of strongman equipment ever made. So this is a modular design. Every one of these holes have been drilled and tapped, so you can pretty much bolt on anything you want onto these legs here. And these are not thin. These are 1/4 inch square tubing. They weigh about 45 pounds a piece, just the leg alone. And these things are guaranteed not to bend, break, or be destroyed by any strongman out there. If there's one out there willing to try, give me a call. I'd like to know who you are, and I'd like to take you up on that offer. So we are going to put this thing together today. And like I said, this is a modular concept. So each leg will act as the base, the core of pretty much any attachment that you want to put on it. Today we're going to be building a farmer's carry and a frame that will turn into a full frame. But you can add a vertical attachment to this and create a yoke. You can put handlebars on this. You can create a sled. You can put a hook on the front and be able to pull it with a rope. You can use it as a squat rack. You can use it as a strongman bench. Just the things that you can do with this, I think are pretty much endless. Whatever you think you can design in your head that can bolt onto these legs can be built.